rematch. El Drago versus Leone. Who will win? Round 1. And round 1 goes to Lightning El Drago. That point goes to Rock Leone. It's 1-1. And stamina time. Whoa. Come on, Leone. Yes! Leone wins again! Yay! One more round. Come on! Win, Leone. Okay, almost. Use your special move. Flying gift. Aw, no. Can't believe you lost that round. Alright, it's now 2-2. This is the final round. Who's gonna win? I'm hoping Leone because he's also good because he lost against El Drago in the first video. So let's see how he does in this round. The final round. Final round. Start. Oh, I thought Leone. No! Oh, so close. Oh, wow. Anyways, Lightning El Drago 100 HF wins again against Rock Leone 145 WB. So, hope y'all enjoyed this video and goodbye.